That doesn't help at all. But anyway, hey guys, what's up? What's up? I'm in the bathroom yet again. I think I'm gonna do my makeup and my hair because I'm about to film a video. I'm gonna do a little cooking video. Let's see here. Baking a cake for my birthday, and I need to get ready to film the video. So I'm gonna wash my hair after I film it, just because I want to use like my new stuff, and I'm gonna do it in the bath. So, and I wanted to do that toner on my hair, which is gonna be in this vlog, I think, possibly. So I wanted to start the vlog now at least, but yeah. So I'm just really gonna put my hair in a low bun. Let's see, how can taking a toothbrush to divide my hair. It's the end of a toothbrush, don't worry, I'm not that gross. But, okay, let's see, where's the hair tie at? Yeah, so that's what's happening today. So I figured I'd pull out the camera just to, ouch, ow, that kind of hurt. Just to start the vlog. I was going to pull out the camera the other day when I was mowing the lawn, because I figured that would be interesting content. I'm kind of glad I didn't, because it probably wouldn't be interesting at all. But, yeah, I didn't, point blank. But I'm going to be using this clay hair stuff. I use it, it's Jared's, but I use it to like smooth down my flyaways when I have my hair like this. And it is by Ace High. Let's see, I'll show you. It's by Ace High. It's just this like men's hair brand. And I want to, let's see here. Just take it and smooth my hair down. And it's really, really sticky, which I don't like the feeling of. So I wash my hands really fast. Brush everything down. I should be using like a boar hair brush, but I'm not. Do my makeup really quick, so that's what I'm going to do. This is my outfit right now. As of right now, I'm going to be changing soon though, so. Let's see. Oh, Jesus, that was a lot. All right, well, I'm going to get ready, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, guys, did my makeup. I even put a little bit of sparkles on my eyes. Who knew? I don't know. But now I need to change because I'm wearing this, and oh, I wanted to show you guys my necklace. So I got this necklace. It's just a herringbone like vintage necklace, and I got it from Poshmark for like $7. So if you're looking for a herringbone necklace, go on Poshmark. These things are vintage. They've lasted this long, looking this great for a reason. Oops. Some stuff is just not made the same anymore. So I like to get a lot of vintage things, but yes, Poshmark is the way to do it. Oh, how do I get you up? Here, there we go. Now I have to figure out an outfit I want to wear for my video. Let's see here. This is what I'm wearing on my birthday to do nothing, but I have decided on my birthday I do want to go to the Starbucks drive-thru. I haven't had Starbucks in so long. And I figured we can do that at least. What do I want to wear? I just want to wear something casual, you know? No, I'll figure it out, but I wanted to show you my makeup. I'm kind of into it. This lighting sucks in here. So just a sticky t-shirt and my necklaces. I'm wearing that bra that I showed you guys from Out'N from Target. Favorite bralette. But yes, so family room's all white and nice and bright. It's really, really icky rainy out. I don't know if you can tell, but so yeah, I had to turn on all of these lights that I usually don't turn on, but hopefully I'll be able to like get good lighting in here. So I'm gonna have like the camera set up like right over here. I think it should be okay. Whatever, we'll figure it out. But yeah, I wanted to show you my fit. I like these little bike shorts though. They're really comfy. These ones are actually from Old Navy that I got at the thrift store, so love that. Let's see, I need to get my stuff ready. It's so dark and gloomy, guys. I'm sorry. But, and you're like all the way over there, but I wanted to show you guys this thing. My new favorite thing that my mom actually got me. It's like this power wash stuff by Dawn, I think it is, yeah. It smells like apples, really good, but I use it to spray my pans to let it sit. And I swear to you, if I let it sit for like 5-10 minutes, it takes everything off of them. So I thought I'd add that into the vlog. I'm currently cleaning up my mess from my, oh, you can't see me. I'm currently cleaning up my mess from my cooking video, but yeah. Hey guys, now I'm in the car, starting the car. Ooh, it's cold out. Oh my God, it's so cold out actually. I don't like it. What is it? Oh, but it says it's 60 degrees. I don't know. Let's see, I gotta put in, I'm going to Meijer right now. I need stuff for dinner. Well, I just need stuff for the week in general, but I always feel like I'm vlogging whenever I go to the grocery store. I only go like once every 2 weeks too, or once every week, I guess. Let's see, I need the heat on. I'm freezing. Okay, so I'm putting in my GPS because I still, yep, you guessed it, I don't know how to get anywhere. Oh. Love this song. I love Luke Combs. I love that song. Is it coming from my phone or is it from the... No, it's on the radio. Oh good, my seat's getting warm. But anyway, I'm going to Meijer and I also saw that they have these like healthier version. Meijer has everything, I swear. Have like these healthier version of, because I'm making sloppy joes tonight and so I wanted like a healthier version of a bun. I don't know, I was just like interested in finding that. Let's see. So it's 15 minutes away. Let's see. And it's raining grotesquely. Not your average Joe. Underachieving average Joe. I don't know if anyone wants to see my mask, but this is it. Super stylish, but about to go in. So.
Make everything taste like it is sauce.
Come on, mate. See, these were the things I was talking about, guys. I got these to try for sloppy joes tonight. They are 6 grams of net carbs. They're by the brand Sola. I found them on Meijer. I went to their website actually and found like their store locator. I think these have 4 in here, yeah. And it was like, they look like normal buns, so I'm like excited to try those. And then what else? I got this sugar-free Starbucks vanilla for some homemade lattes and stuff. And then I also found, so this is my favorite instant coffee for those TikTok coffee things. And I also got this one to try just because it looked good. It's a Folgers one, but I got this one in the big one. This is the first time I've been able to find the big glass jar. I usually have to buy them in these. So I'm excited about that. What else did I get? I got meat for sloppy joes. Got cucumbers, some creamer. Okay guys, we just got this Roman blind in from Amazon, first of all. And then, here, hold that. And then we're gonna put it on our door right here because we have like a door in our whatever area. And we're gonna mount it up here. So I just thought I'd show you the before really quick and then I'll show you the after when it's done. But yeah. All right guys, they're up. They look so much better. And I think that it was pretty easy. Jared did it, obviously, mostly. But look at that. You just pull them down like this. And they're all good. Good to go, nice and secure. And total privacy. And the color is actually really pretty. And then you literally just bunch them up, and then you can obviously like fix it and make it perfect if you wanted. But then it's good like that. How much were these?
$30.
These were like $30, which is such a steal, I think, for Roman blinds. And super easy to put up. They're really with them. So yeah, I just wanted to pop in and show you guys them really quickly. but I really like the color. Just kidding. They were $60 for the size that we got in the La Playa sand light filtering, and then we got the 23 by 64, just so you guys know. I will link them below, definitely. Or, come on. I'll definitely link them below, but just wanted to correct myself really quickly there. But totally worth it. And especially because we were looking on Roman blinds on other sites and they were like $130 for like just the basic version of them. And they went all the way up just like for one section of that. So here is my spot now. My little plants, I do have to water them. But they're doing pretty well over here, guys. This one's doing a lot better. It did have some burns on it from like the old house, but yeah, and this one is starting to grow some new leaves. I just have to clean its leaves. I haven't done that since we moved. But yeah, it really likes its new spot, I think. And then that one though, yeah, just no luck with there, but hey, what can you do, right? Not all plants will succeed or thrive. That one just never has been a thriver. Never has. But anyway, I did show you our Roman blinds yesterday, I think, right? Amazing. I'm like obsessed with them. Jared did a great call. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to measure. I need to measure for a rug in here. Ice maker. Okay, now I need to measure. Let's see. I also need to clean box first because I have no clue where he put it. Okay, found the measuring tape. Let's see, it needs to be at least 7 by 7-ish. Let's see. Let's click on this one just for reference. 5 by 7. Can do 5 by 7.5. Probably would work. Okay, guys. The bath is running in the background. Come on. And I'm going to try this Kristen S. Signature Gloss Wrath Neutralizing Shine Boosting Deep Conditioning in Winter Wheat Light Neutral Blonde. So, maybe some time. But so we're gonna try this. I gotta figure out how exactly to like do it. And I wanted to show you my hair before, but I'm going to try to pre-mix this before I get in the bath. Sorry, I'm trying to pre-mix this before I get in the bath. Because there's gloves. This is like, she has such pretty packaging. So these, the activator. Let's see, how to wet hair thoroughly. Mix bottles 1 and 2 together. Shake gently. Okay, so basically just mix them 2 together. Over here. See. I hope this works, please. I'll show you the before whenever I'm done crouching, but also I think I'm gonna do like a video on starting the Chloe Ting workout thing for 2 weeks. I'm gonna try it. I haven't worked out in so long, but I'm gonna start like really honing in on my weight loss journey, like to try to get to my goal, which is not too far. Sorry, I don't know why my thing makes that whistling noise. Okay. I want it to be warm, but here, let me show you. This is what my hair looks like right now. It looks a lot brassier in other lightings, like in here. That's probably, I don't know, more accurate. Looks like this. I don't know, but I'm going to try to put it, look how long my hair's gotten so far. But anyway, I'm just going to put it in, I'll wet my hair, and I'm also going to try out my new scalp, my scrub for my scalp, and then all of these different products that I got. So here, let me put them over here. I've never taken a bath in this bath. I'm like so excited. All my products lined up. Can you see them? Okay guys. Okay, so I showered, letting the hair dry in this little towel thing. I'm going to apply my tan. So this is the before, and we'll see the after. Okay, so I'm tan. Well, you can't tell yet, but it's on my body. I just blow dried. I have to blow dry the top of my hair or else I get like dandruff in it. So I did that, and honestly, I don't know if that stuff did anything here. Come on. It's too blue? Why is it so blue? But I can't tell if it did anything for the color or not. So we're gonna have to wait and see for that. Kind of looks a little bit, I don't know. We'll see until it fully dries. I'll show you, but for right now, I'm waiting for my tan to develop so that I can wash it off and like before I go to sleep. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. Gotta put it back, but I have to go make a thumbnail and then upload a video, so let's do it. Guys, please look how, hold on. Okay guys, I just put a piece of mail in the mailbox, but like, can you look at how tan my face is? It's like uneven, but like, holy crap. That stuff worked a lot better this time, I feel like. But I feel like this tanning stuff worked a lot better this time because I exfoliated really well and I moisturized really well. So I feel like that was the key to it, was like moisturizing super well. So yeah, I'm gonna make a cold brew coffee. I'm like embarrassed. This is not how it was supposed to look. It's so patchy in my pores. I need to wash my face and hopefully it'll come off, but yeah, anyway, this is how it turned out, if you can see. But yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with it. It made it really glossy and shiny. Oh my god, my hands too. Oh my god. But anyway, made it really shiny and glossy, and I think it did tone it a lot now that I'm looking at it. So the Kristen S thing, definitely. So this is how you filter it. And it goes down into the little carafe down there, and then I'm gonna put that in the fridge to stay cold. And then this is just like cold brew concentrate, so you just mix it with a little bit of water and ice, and then your creamer, for me, I do my creamer, or you can drink it black, but yeah. See, and then you just clean this part out.